What is the fermentation? Fermentation is similar to the anaerobic respiration, where glucose is incompletely oxidized with less amount of energy released. In the fermentation, the first phase is exactly similar to the aerobic respiration. A molecule of glucose is broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. But in the second phase, pyruvic acid is not completely oxidized due to the absence of oxygen. It is transformed into the ethyl alcohol or lactic acid. In this way, many of the carbon-hydrogen bonds are left unbroken in the products. Anaerobic respiration is further classified into the alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation. Before discussing further about the fermentation, please subscribe the channel for more new videos. So, first is the alcoholic fermentation. Alcoholic fermentation occurs in the bacteria and yeast. In this type of anaerobic respiration or fermentation, pyruvic acid is further broken down into the alcohol C2H5OH and carbon dioxide. So the next is the lactic acid fermentation. It occurs in the skeletal muscles of human and other animals during the extreme physical activities. This also happens in the bacteria present in the milk. In this type of fermentation, each pyruvic acid molecule is converted into lactic acid. Let's discuss about the importance of fermentation. It is believed that when life evolved on the earth, the early land or water habitat did not have any supply of free oxygen. In these anaerobic conditions, early organisms respired anaerobically and got energy for their life activities. Even today, when free oxygen is available, some organisms, including some bacteria and some fungi, get their energy from anaerobic respiration and are anaerobes. Humans can also provide energy to their skeletal muscles through the anaerobic respiration. It happens when the skeletal muscles have to work hard during exercise, but oxygen supply cannot be increased to fulfill their demand. So, the fermenting abilities of fungi and bacteria for the benefit of mankind are also used. For example, fermenting powers of bacteria are used for making cheese and yogurt. Fermentation in the yeast is used in the baking industries. Similarly, soy sauce is made through the fermentation by fungus Aspergillus. So, this is all about the fermentation, its types and importance of fermentation. Thanks for watching.